Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets Podcast for January 25th, 2025. I'm JC, been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding stocks or ETF picks that I research. I usually do this on every other Saturday just because I am researching new investment ideas. I just like to do it. The intentions are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I just want to share investment ideas so that we can make a dollar. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own. They're just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in these podcasts. And disclaimer, do your own due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. The company I'm going to share for you today is the AES company. AES generates 35,000 megawatts of power in using half renewables and half non-renewables, including coal and gas and you name it. They are into it, and they sell to utilities, they sell to end users. They're in a real sweet spot, this company is. I think they finally found their way and got themselves financially in good shape so that they can continue to make more money, because they're going to be really helping the need for utility power, and they're growing substantially. As you can see from this chart, it's actually fallen. This is just a one-day chart, but this company has basically taken a 66% haircut in two years because of their financial woes. But I think they're in the right spot, and I think they finally come together with their financials, and technically they're in good shape. As you can see, the dividend and yield is 69 cents, or about 6.25% per year dividend. They've been growing dividends since 1992. Earnings per share, actually, this is a little low. It shows it's actually closer to $2 per share and growing about 10% per year. This next slide that I've shown you, it comes from the AES site. As you can see, it's about 35,000 megawatts of power that is generated by them. They've got another 5,000 megawatts in construction. And you can see the mix of their power generation. They basically employ about 9,600 people. They serve 2.6 million customers, and that's growing like crazy. The last sentence here: we continue to see an enormous opportunity from once-in-a-lifetime transformation of electricity sector driven by decarbonization, electrification, and digitalization. To me, that's they're trying to hit the sweet spots of the growth areas in the market, and they have the right mix of generation types, as well as they're able to make their way into other avenues such as data centers, which is going to be huge. I think AES has a nice, bright future. The dividends are good; they've been growing. Profits are starting to grow again. And they cover the dividends with profits, no problem. The last graphic I'm going to show you is this is a 1-year chart. As you can see, it was close to $30 per share. June of 2024, and right now it's about $11.50 a share. And it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, as well as it's in an oversold state. I think this company is poised with the markets they serve, and technically they're poised to get a little bit of alpha bounce on this one, as well as you're going to see earnings increases because of the growth they're going to have and the markets they're going to enter, and their continued success, especially with the new electrification of data centers and other such things. AES Corporation. AES is the ticker. I suggest take a look at it. I don't have any AES, and I'm not in a position to buy any, but I think it's a nice opportunity. take a look at it. Do your due diligence. With that, I'd like to say thank you for listening to JC Stocks and Markets podcast again. I really enjoyed doing this. The intro and outro song is a song called She's the One, performed by a band I used to play in, Just One Goat. We had a lot of fun doing it. I wrote the song. It has a lot of good meaning to me. With that, happy investing, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.
Beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving girl, if physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Wasted all this time. She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Yeah, she's the one. She's the one. She's the one.